Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to install WhatsApp on our laptop or PC. So I know it's a very simple process, but few people doesn't have any idea about it. So we are going to install WhatsApp. For that you need to go on Microsoft Store, and here you can see the second application is WhatsApp. So if you can't find the WhatsApp application here, you can search in search bar. So this is the app, so you can download it by click on this get button. Click on it and it will download in a few seconds, and it's depends on your internet speed. Okay, the installation process has been complete. Now we can open our application. So this is the welcome page to connect with WhatsApp. You can connect your ID through this QR code, or you can also connect through your number. So you can use both connections. So if you want to pin this WhatsApp application on the taskbar, so you can right click on it and pin to taskbar. So when you close this app, you can reopen by one click. So this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoying. So please support and like this video. Thank you so much for